Did you know there's a simple way to make your laundry softer, dry faster, even be able to ditch the chemicals in traditional fabric softeners? Meet dryer balls. These small wool dryer balls are a game changer. These little spheres take your laundry routine to the next level. If you've never heard of them, don't worry, you're not alone. Many people are still using liquid softeners without realizing they have a better option. You have been brainwashed by major marketing. We all have. In this video, I'll break down why switching to dryer balls is a smart move. I will share 8 powerful reasons to make the change. Say goodbye to residue buildup, artificial chemicals, and wasted money. Dryer balls are here to revolutionize your laundry routine. In this video, I'll break down 8 compelling reasons why making the switch will save you time, money, and even improve your clothes' longevity. From faster drying times to eco-friendly benefits, you won't want to go back once you see the difference. Let's dive in and level up your laundry game. Here are 8 reasons that I switched from liquid fabric softener to dryer balls. Number 1. Eco-friendly. Most liquid fabric softeners and dryer sheets contain chemicals. They are not great for the environment or you. Dryer balls, especially wool ones, are all natural and reusable, making them a greener choice. Number 2. Cost-effective. One set of dryer balls can last for years, whereas liquid softener requires constant repurchasing. Over time, this switch saves you quite a bit of money. Number 3. Faster drying time. Dryer balls create separation between clothes, allowing hot air to circulate more efficiently. This speeds up drying time, cutting down on energy use. Dollars saved again. Number 4. No residue buildup. Liquid softeners can leave a coating on fabric. Over time, you have to wash your dryer filter with soap and water to clear them for airflow. Dryer balls eliminate that problem entirely. Number 5. Hypoallergenic. Many liquid softeners contain artificial fragrances and harsh chemicals that can irritate sensitive skin. Wool dryer balls are a great alternative for those with allergies or sensitivities. That is, if you are not allergic to wool. Number 6. Better for athletic wear and towels. Fabric softeners can reduce absorbency, which isn't ideal for towels or moisture-wicking athletic wear. In turn, dryer balls maintain the fabric's effectiveness. Number 7. Customizable scents. Do you love fresh-smelling laundry? If so, you can add a few drops of essential oil to your dryer balls. This will give you a natural fragrance without the artificial ingredients. Number 8. Less waste. Liquid softeners come in plastic bottles that contribute to waste. Dryer balls, on the other hand, are reusable. They require no packaging, making them a more sustainable choice. Switching to dryer balls is a simple change that brings big benefits. Ready to make the swap? Subscribe to Kindly Simple for more informative home hack ideas and money-saving tips. Bye for now. See you in the next video.